Yes, welcome to our episode 4.
Yes, episode 4, and we have been promising Sandra Parks make lasagna.
Yeah.
So this go out to you, Sandra Parks. This is how
Anna.
What?
Anna.
Hvad for noget?
Anna.
Okay, this is for Anna Parks. We make lasagna just for you. Thank you for the views. And I'm sorry, I mix up names. I have a lot of fans. Something I have to live with.
Og det er jo også fordi, you're also another thing. You're not only a chef, you're also...
Exactly. I also make a lot of music. What up? This is... what up? What up? Are you cooking dinner?
Yes.
Yes.
We're going to make lasagna.
How disgusting.
Yes.
Yes.
He's a little bit.
Yes, as you can see on his beard, he's not very hygienic. So first, we'll have a cut on.
Yeah.
I have been cheating a bit today, so we don't make episodes.
What is this?
This is onions.
And what have you done with onions?
Chop them up in pieces.
Potted them in pieces.
Yes. This is squash.
Yeah. And you have done the same, also about cutting it in...
Yes. Yes. And this is celery.
Yeah.
Also chopped up, but it's very important you chop it very nice. Small pieces makes it more delicious.
Okay.
And last but not least, I have some
yellow roots.
Yellow roots. So, as you can see, I use a lot of green cases in my lasagna. But it's okay, I'm going to use a lot of butter rice as well. And for the meat, I have 2 seconds here, over here. I have some ground beef, and I have some bacon in this squares.
Fantastic.
Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna heat this bad boy up right here. Oh, don't film this.
No,
Det er afskrifter.
Okay. Ja, dem skal de jo ikke bare læse.
Nej, præcis.
So you're gonna...
Yeah, I'm gonna heat this up, and my chicken button is down. So this is starting to be hot.
Yes.
And then put some oil in. Don't be afraid to use.
Yeah. Lots of oil.
Lots of oil.
It makes for the better.
Exactly. And again, here in Hungary, it's easy to get all these delicious green cases.
Yeah.
But if you're from Russia or Poland in Asia, you're kind of fucked. Don't make this.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you some tips and advice later.
Okay. Hvad betyder advice?
Just hjælp.
Okay.
So first of all, let's get some bacon in the making. And basically, I only use this for the flavor of it.
Ja, så fordi and also bacon is very delicious food.
Yes, yes. That's what I mean about flavor.
Ja.
Yeah.
Hvad betyder flavor?
Smag.
Oh.
So make sure it doesn't burn.
Yeah.
Get it around with the oil. Like this. So, yeah. You can see. Mr. Cook?
Yeah.
Is there food for me or should I go buy something? I think there could possibly be some food for you. That would be really awesome. Yeah, I think it should be no problem. I will load your cockstocking. Yeah. This is my roommate. There's no camera. Yeah, exactly. We don't like to be... I have to stop, so... But see, we don't like to be filmed in Danzig. So that's why...
Hey.
You can see my cock. I can take some of it.
Det må man ikke, det er på YouTube.
Ja, det her det er professionelt. Kan du ikke lige... Ja. So, yeah, before this, we're gonna have some onion chicken.
And just get around in it.
Yes,
immediately.
The flavor as well. It's very important when you make food to think about flavor.
Otherwise, it's very boring to eat not flavor.
Yeah, exactly. Like, if you know any Russians, they can tell you they eat a lot of food with no flavor.
Yeah.
They only eat roots.
Og jord.
Yeah, roots. So there are no flavor. but it's okay. This is good. So yeah, I'm gonna give this for a second. Det er bare kort. Filmer?
Ja.
Okay. Welcome back to Smoking Kitchen Part 5. 4,
Tror jeg nok.
Yeah. This has been going on for a while. Now I'm gonna put in some meat. How the fuck with the knife, because no, I have it open. I'm very strong. I want the strongest man in Hungary.
Okay. Like the Hulk.
Like the Hulk, basically. So in with the meat. Make sure it goes to little pieces like this.
Yeah.
And I have.
We might have to tell, because it looked like it was one piece of beef.
Yeah, this is ground beef,
yeah.
And I have, as you can see over here, I'm using low fat, 3 to 7% fat.
Yeah.
Because
it tastes better.
Yeah, you get the real taste of beef instead of just fat.
Yeah.
And we have the bacon to take care of that.
Mm.
So, yeah. And do you have any funny stories to the listener maybe while we wait?
No.
No, okay. So we're just gonna wait here till the beef is brown. We're
Yeah.
gonna brown it off.
We're gonna wait for beef to go brown.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put in the next things.
And now all the great juices from the onion and bacon is going into beef.
Mm-hmm.
So
it tastes more.
Exactly, it will explode in the mouth of flavor. So delicious.
Yeah.
And the woman I was talking to in the beginning of the program,
Anna.
We know Anna. So when we get very famous.
Cook, I have another question.
Yeah.
Would you mind if me and some guys watch some porn here from 10 to 5 tomorrow?
No, that's okay.
You're not home?
I am home, but you can watch porn, it's okay.
But okay, what I actually mean is, let's go,
Yes, you were, before we got interrupt, you were saying a personal message.
Yeah, exactly. We know Anna, she's fucking cool, she's tight, she knows all the famous people. And I would be famous if I didn't hide my face.
Yeah, this is true.
And she knows a lot of famous people who don't want to be famous. No. So she's a cool cat.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna make a casserole just for her next time.
Casserole?
Yeah, casserole.
Yeah. Yes, we will be making that next.
Yeah, exactly. Now I'm gonna put some celery in.
And what exactly does that taste?
It tastes like celery.
Jamen hvad smager det? Selleri.
It has a very good taste of green case.
Okay. So it's just ordinary green cases.
Yeah. It's very important to say you can use whatever you like of vegetables.
Yeah.
The green cases I will put on today is just my preferable. Actually, I've never done it with squash before, but I'm gonna try it. I think it'll be good.
Yeah. And you put the yellow root,
the orange root.
Orange root.
No, yeah, yellow root.
Yeah, yellow.
Yes. It's just to make, so it's not just meat, to get a lot of the flavor also, because carrot makes the sauce very sweet.
Hvad kaldte du det?
Ja?
Hvad kaldte du det?
Carrot? Hedder det carrot?
Det er rigtigt. It is not yellow root, it is carrot.
Well, it also is named yellow root, but
that's a sort of street name.
Yeah, we have in Hungary.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's very hard to go over. I can speak Hungary if you want, for Hungary listeners.
Ja.
Skal jeg gøre det?
Ja, det kan du godt. Prøv at sige et eller andet. And what does that mean?
It means I very like to make lasagna, and I'm gonna do it again next month.
Yeah. So you're not putting this in yet?
Yes, let's do that. No, actually. Yes, let's do it.
Okay.
As I said, I've never made this in the lasagna.
It is a bit like cucumber, but more dry.
Yeah.
Basically. Little less water.
A little less water. But the good thing about squash is all the flavor will go into the squash and it will almost absorb so it becomes liquid.
Okay.
Så det. Ja, så hvad for noget?
Jeg ved det ikke.
Hvad betyder det, du sagde?
Jeg tror, det betyder smelter.
Det tror jeg altså ikke, det gør.
It will almost melting.
Yeah, exactly. It will melt almost and ooze with flavor.
Yeah.
So now it's all browned up. And you can see nice colors.
Mm-hmm.
And I can promise you, flavors just as good. Don't worry. We will take a short break when we're ready to continue.
Yeah, and because this is not a commercial program, there's not going to be a break.
Not for you, but for us it will.
Yes. So how many minutes? It's just going to be browning now?
Actually, it is brown. I'm just making sure the best. Actually, let's continue.
Yeah.
Because now we talk so much. So let's get this tomato paste in. I'm going to use the whole thing.
And this is very strong tomato.
Yes.
It has it is concentrated so much that
it's made from jalapenos.
Tomato.
Yes. Jalapenos and chilies and peppers.
Det bare var tomato.
Men det er det også.
Nå.
Det er bare så kedeligt.
Nå, ja, jamen, du skal altså ikke lyve. Yes.
Oh, this is okay. Cut it.
Yeah,
let's go in there.
Yeah.
This is tomato.
Yeah.
Concentrated tomato.
Yeah.
It has very strong flavors of tomato.
Yeah. It is actually, if you imagine 10 tomatoes pressed into one.
No,
That's
no.
Alright, okay.
No. Have you seen how big a tomato is?
Nee.
I'm just gonna turn down the heat bit. You have tomato here. I'm gonna apologize for my cameraman. He's, after all, just cameraman.
Yeah.
But as you can see a tomato here, you cannot put 10 of this in that.
Nej, he's right. You can't do that. Jeg er så sikker på, hvor man presser det.
Det er jo lige meget, du kan aldrig gøre den mindre bare af pressen.
Okay. Yeah. So what is happening now?
I'm gonna mix this up so the concentrated tomato is everywhere in the sauce.
Yeah.
Yes. And you can see, fucking delicious.
Yeah.
And if you're a girl, you should probably make some push-ups before this because this is very hard work.
It's very strong.
You need to be strong to do this.
Ja. Måske hvis man har sin egen
Push-up. Hvad?
Man må ikke bruge, nej.
Det siger
Nej. Men altså, if you know someone who is very strong, maybe he can do it for you.
Maybe he could be black. It's okay
He could be.
It's okay. Black people are strong people.
No, sometimes.
What? I think selvfølgelig også. Sometimes they are.
Yeah, many times.
Yeah, it's okay to get help by black people.
Yes.
You just have to pay them. It's very important.
Yeah. Don't exploit.
Exactly.
Tror jeg det hedder.
I'm gonna put some tomato in it.
And we're gonna, for our viewers' sake, I'm gonna ask why you put more tomato when you have just put little tomato.
I want even more tomato flavor, and I want it to be more liquid.
Okay, so this is both to add more tomato flavor and also make it more liquid.
Exactly, because now we need it to boil down.
Boil down?
Yes, exactly. It has to boil so much so the water in the food starts to go away.
Okay.
Because it's very important to let it boil down. That's when the flavor really comes out. So yes, just like that. If you don't think it's liquid enough, it's okay to put something else. You can put water in it if you want. You can put milk in it. You can put whatever you like.
Okay.
It's up to you. But as you can see, this is so beautiful in colors.
Yeah. It's like fireworks. Like green and red everywhere.
Once when I was teaching up this bloke called Gordon Ramsay,
Yeah.
He said to me, it's funny. It's like you also eat with your eyes.
Mm.
It's not just in the mouth. And yes, I must say I taught him very good because that's true. This is you want to eat this.
Yeah.
That's how it is. So now I'm gonna put some salt in it. And be careful because we have put bacon in there already.
So not too much
Not
salt.
too much. Some pepper.
Delicious pepper.
Delicious pepper. Yes.
Og det må være det, så skal det bare stå på op, ikke?
No. My secret ingredient. I like to use it.
Cayenne pepper.
Yes. That was this one. Just a little bit because my chili man is.
Yeah, my stomach can not hold
He's
it.
not very fond of too strong food.
Nej.
And I'm gonna put some basil in at last. I like the flavor of basil. But
What is this? It looks like hash.
yeah, it is ash actually. It's when you know turtles.
Turtles.
Yeah, when you kill turtles, you burn them,
Okay.
and the ash becomes basil.
Oh, okay. Nej, det er ikke bare en blok. Er det ikke bare en tørret blok?
Nej, det er sgu da. Det er også noget aske, meget.
Nå.
Det ligner, at der er en sangfarve.
Okay. Ja, så må det være sådan. Yes.
So
Turtle ash.
Turtle ash. So, and you can use everything you want. You can put chili in it when you make it with the onions. You can put garlic in it. You can do whatever you want.
Mm.
We're just gonna keep it simple today because we're in a hurry.
Yes.
And the secret now, I think I shall just put some water in it.
That's not very secret.
No, but now the secret comes. I'm gonna let it be for like an hour.
A whole hour?
A whole hour.
A whole hour just standing?
Yes, and let it come to boil down.
And what does boil down mean? That is when the water disappears.
Exactly. And it's very important you have it on low heat because otherwise you'll burn.
It will burn in the bottom.
Exactly, and that would be a shame.
Hmm.
So, to the listeners out here, I'm making food for 4 grown-up persons. And I only used 1 pound of beef, and that's more than enough because you have so many green cases in it.
Hmm.
So, yeah. We're gonna let this bad boy stand here for an hour or so. You can check on it occasionally and just get into the bottom like this to make sure it won't burn.
Hmm.
But yeah, I'm gonna see you in an hour.
Yeah. And actually, again, this will be like a second for you. But we're gonna pause for an hour.
Yeah.
So we're nearing completion.
Yes, this has been having a good time. As you can see,
It's delicious.
it's delicious. If it tastes as good as it smells, this will be like heaven. So, what we'll need right now is to make a room. We're gonna turn on the oven on hot air.
Hot air.
Yes, crank it up to about 190.
190 in Celsius.
Yeah, degrees.
Yeah.
Yes. First of all, just gonna put some oil in here so it don't burn. And it's not so important what you do, but you can just use your fingers. Just make sure it gets all around.
Yeah, many people use paper.
Yes, you can use that. I'm just lazy. I don't wanna.
Also, it's easier to aim it around.
Exactly. And you get a nice feeling if there's enough oil in here. And there is. So I'm just gonna wash up my hands, and now I should show you how to prepare it so it can go in the oven.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this down, and actually I've been cheating a little bit. While we were not filming, I have put a bit of a little more salt and some oregano.
Okay.
In this because it needed the flavor.
Okay.
So first of all,
I'm gonna put just a tiny little bit meat in the
Glasskål.
yes. What's it called?
Glasbogle.
Glass bowl. Like this. Just a little bit. And then we can start off with the layers. Not in the face. Like this. You can buy these everywhere. You can also buy them fresh if you that kind of person.
And you can make them yourself, but it's very difficult, and human cannot do it.
Exactly. So yes, you're gonna do it like this to make sure it's almost everywhere. Like this. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So now I'm gonna put some meat in. And my roommate, the disgusting guy you saw before, he told me you can make this with pepperoni. I do not suggest you do that.
Og det lyder ellers lækkert.
Nej, det gør jeg.
Pepperoni smager godt.
Sweet.
Det smager altid godt. Skal du måske bare ikke have bacon i? Maybe if you not put bacon, you can use...
No, don't do it.
Nej, okay.
You have to do it like this, or else it's not the same.
Ja, ja.
That's how we roll. So, next step. Normally I would use bechamel sauce and do it myself, but I've been kind of lazy.
So we take Monday sauce?
We have been to a local supermarket, and we're just gonna roll it up with some mayonnaise sauce. It's easier, it's not cheaper, but it's easier. And it tastes not as good, but almost. Just a tiny bit. Like this. And then I'm gonna put some more plates on this bad boy. Like this. Fucking delicious. You can just break it off as it fits. Oh, we have from room. Yes. Cool beans. And basically, this is what you do.
And then fill up.
Then you start from the...
Så pauser vi her.
Are you filming?
Nej.
Den var også træt med at være på hele tiden. Fuck
Ja.
altså. Fucking oplever med.
Men det bliver god mad.
Bum.
Delicious.
The right word for it.
And then we'll eat the last layer.
Yes.
Delicious lasagna.
It is actually delicious. So that one. So, this is the last.
De er heldige med gryden der.
And it's not important how many layers you do, just so it fits.
Yes.
And it's what you want. If you want more pasta, make more layers. Easy as that. So, like this.
Skynd noget ost henover, ikke?
A little bit. I have mixed it up.
Eller det er måske ikke endnu.
Øh.
Det er det så ikke brændt, når det kommer i ovnen?
Hvad siger du?
Det er det ikke brændt, når det kommer i ovnen, hvis du smider osten i nu, eller hvad?
Nej. Fucking delicious.
Yes. Get the last ingredients.
Yep. Last layer of mayonnaise sauce. Try to get it out in the edge here.
So it runs all the way to the bottom layers.
Exactly. And be a little more
Generous.
yes, on the last layer, so the meat will not burn. So, like this. And the last thing, cheese.
And what type of cheese is this?
This is mozzarella beef cheese.
Mozzarella.
It's Italian.
That is very gross. It's coming water out. What is that?
That's because when I make this in the mornings, when I pack it in these, I have to put some water in it to keep it fresh.
Okay.
And you can use grated cheese if you want. It's what you want. I like to just rip pieces apart and put it on here to make small islands of cheese. But nothing wrong in just use grated cheese.
Man kan også bare drysse det der ud over pizzaost.
Ja, det er grated cheese.
Ja.
Hedder det ikke det?
Det ved jeg ikke.
Shredder cheese.
Ja.
Du bare stoppe nu. Så this, I'm just going to do like this.
And what are you doing with the gaffel?
I'm just making sure that all the nice juice up here can go down all the way around in the lasagna.
Yeah.
Easy peasy. And now it just needs to be in the oven until it's nice golden on top.
And how long is that going to take?
It can take everything from 20 to 30 minutes. You have to make sure the pasta is cooked,
Yeah.
or else it will not taste good.
Det kan du ikke få.
We have a minor malfunction.
Kan du bruge viskestykket måske?
Men hvad skal jeg bruge?
Into ovens.
Into the oven, in the middle around. And now you just need patience. So, I'm going to clean up in a little bit. I will come back and show you, make a nice salad. Når du prøver at indføre sharia-lovgivningen, jeg har respekt over folk spiller op.
Yeah. We're making salad.
Yes. Because it's very important. When you eat Italian, you need to be healthy. So, like this, I have this very cool tool called a salad sling.
Okay.
So when you wash your salad, as you're supposed to, you have to wash salad. It's very important.
Why do we do that?
To get it clean so it's good and healthy to eat.
So it's not full of earth?
Exactly. It cannot be full of earth. It's no good for anyone.
Except for earthworms.
No such thing as earthworms.
Rainworms.
Rainworms, yes.
De hedder earthworms.
Fine.
Ja, men de siger jordorm. Det giver også mere mening. Det bor jo.
Regnworm.
Ja, på dansk.
Ja, men altså, regn hedder jo engelsk. Eller,
Det hedder rain, men
rain, yeah.
det er også lige meget.
So, up with water. And now you can see what a delicious, amazing machine I have here.
Yeah.
Just gonna dump it in, and you can see it's still wet.
Still full of water.
Still full of water.
And it does not taste good with water.
Yes, it's no problem with water, but the problem is I need to put oil in it. And you can see, I'm slinging it around, and you can see the water. It's fucking amazing. Again, if you're from Russia or
They do
Poland,
not have some.
they do not have this amazing quality.
But you can put it in a sock and then dip it in a water.
Yes, that you can do.
Jeg tror, den er...
And now you have amazingly
Almost dry salad.
almost dry salad. I'm gonna wash this up. So, yes, as you can see, it's dry.
It is actually dry.
It's fucking amazing. I'll put this down here. Get this away. Make a nice layer. And I know my cameraman here will not eat this.
No.
And I know
Not eat green food.
no, I know a lot of people here don't eat green food, so basically it's probably only me who will eat this. So to get some good taste in this, I have bought this garlic oil,
White onion.
white onion oil.
Det er børnesikring.
Yeah.
It is very difficult to open.
Oh, now I got it. So basically, this is just some oil with some nice flavor of white onion. And I'm just going to drizzle some over here. Don't be afraid to use it.
Huh.
It's good with oil. It's good for you, actually.
Yeah. It's very
Yeah, it's
healthy.
very healthy.
And tastes of delicious white onion.
Yes.
And then you're gonna cut up some tomatoes.
I'm going to cut up some tomatoes. Just going to grab a couple of big ones here. And once again, remember, washing. So important. Cannot be said enough.
Yeah.
Very important, washing.
Yeah. And cut the doughs up.
I'm cutting these up. And I'm going to do it like this.
In thin slices.
Not too thin. Some people like that. I like it with when they're not too thin. Yes. Just put them over here. As you can see, we were going to use a couple of tomatoes. And you can just eat as you go, actually. I'm going to... Der var en fuck her.
Jamen, det er bare en tomat. Det smager det.
Oh. I could...
And boom.
Yeah, don't be shy with tomatoes.
Put lots in.
Put lots in.
And this is tomato salad.
No.
Done. No? There is more.
There's more. Put it on pause for a second.
And now you take a normal onion.
Normal onion. You can use red onion as well. Somebody like that better actually, but I like the white onions for basically everything. But I also like red onions. I just don't have anyone in my house at the moment, so I'm gonna use this, which is fine. Get this nasty shell off.
Because it doesn't taste good.
No, I have tried eating it, and you have to be very, very great chef to make that work. So I will not show you today, because you will fuck it up.
Det ser faktisk til, ikke?
Det er ikke så red onion.
So, onion.
Yeah, chop them nicely. Not too big.
And you must be very careful when you do it, because you can get onion in your eyes.
Yes.
Then you start crying.
Exactly, and you can chop off your fingers.
And that is also very dangerous. Especially if you are crying and you cannot see what you're doing, and suddenly
you're missing a finger.
Yes. So be very careful.
Actually, I have a friend that once did that.
Yeah.
He's no longer my friend, of course, because I cannot have handicapped friends.
But before he became a cripple.
Yeah, before he became retard, he was good friends actually. We lived together for many years.
And then suddenly he went idiot mode.
Yeah, it's like what can I do with a retard friend?
What good is he?
What good is he?
And that is also good advice for you in viewers. Don't have friends if they're not cool people.
Exactly. Stay away from the retards. They're very strong also.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful.
Han bliver jo ikke meget stærk af at klippe sine fingre af.
Retards friend?
Jamen det får man jo ikke bare. Det er noget, der skal være fedt med.
Nej, det er retarderet, der har det.
Men han må jo ikke han har bare klippet sig i fingre.
Det er også været retarderet med fingre.
Ja.
So, onions over here.
Delicious onions.
Delicious onions. Cannot get enough.
And some more, is that the same oil?
It's the same oil. Some oil?
And done.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Because this is the biggest secret I can give to you all. You have to season. Also season your salad. Bit of salt. And a bit of black pepper. Like that. We will show you the end result when the lasagna is ready.
Yes. What exactly are you doing?
There's some kind of sexual thing I don't know about going on here. No more for you. I cannot have sex with you tonight.
So we are finally. Are we clear with the foods?
You should have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
Delicious.
Very delicious.
5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
And now, for the moment of truth, we have had our lasagna in ovnen
For about
30 minutes.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah.
As
Now
you can see, it has nice color on it.
Jesus.
And there is enough.
Wow.
And now, something important. You have to let it breathe in 5 minutes before you do anything.
If you're very moody, if you're very brave, you can smash your finger in it. Don't do it.
Don't
actually.
do it. Don't do it.
You will.
You can make it a game.
Yeah.
With your friends, perhaps. But we won't do it.
No.
And you can just take off the edges here. And have a taste.
Is it good?
It's cheese. Of course it's good.
And it has perfect color.
It has perfect color.
Not a single burn spot.
Nope.
It is nice and orange,
Yes.
brown.
So what you need to do now, let
Just
it wait 5 minutes. We will show you when we eat fucking food.
There we go.
This is for Anna Parks, in your honor.
Yes. And what have you made?
I
Send food.
make lasagna, and you can see the slice my friend will put up now. Fucking delicious.
As delicious as in commercials.
Yes. And now we're gonna eat, and keep watching, bro.